Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you through the tutorial video of how to download Valorant on your PC. So to get started, first of all, head over to your Google Chrome browser and then in the search box type in Valorant and then have the enter. Once you do that, you'll be up here with the official website of Valorant. So in order to download this, what you gotta do is click on play free. Upon clicking that, you will have to log into your account or you have to create one if you don't have. So create account. Once you are done with creating an account, what you gotta do is click on that download option which is seen on the screen. Once you do that, your Valorant app will successfully download on your PC. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.